ಚಾಮರಾಜನಗರದ ಸೋಮವಾರಪೇಟೆ ಬಳಿ ಇರುವ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಐಸಿಸಿ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಉಸ್ತುವಾರಿಗಳಾದ ರಣದೀಪ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸುರ್ಜೇವಾಲಾ ಲೋಕಸಭಾ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಪತ್ರಿಕಾಗೋಷ್ಠಿಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿದರು. ಪತ್ರಿಕಾಗೋಷ್ಠಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಆರೋಪಗಳ ಸುರಿಮಳೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲದೆ ಈ ಬಾರಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಮತದಾರರು ಮತ ಚಲಾಯಿಸುವರು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಲೋಕಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಧ್ವನಿ ಎತ್ತಲು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸಂಸದರನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಚೊಂಬು ಜಾಹೀರಾತು ಕದನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿವರವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ನೀಡಿದ ಎಐಸಿಸಿ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಉಸ್ತುವಾರಿಗಳಾದ ರಣದೀಪ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸುರ್ಜೇವಾಲಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನೀಡಿರುವ ಚೊಂಬಿನ ಮರ್ಮವನ್ನು ವಿವರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಸಮಾಜ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಸಚಿವ ಡಾ ಎಚ್.ಸಿ. ಮಹದೇವಪ್ಪ, ಶಾಸಕ ಸಿ. ಪುಟ್ಟರಂಗಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಮಾಜಿ ಸಚಿವ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಾಸಕ ತನ್ವೀರ್ ಸೇಠ್, ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಮರಿಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಮುಖಂಡರು ಹಾಜರಿದ್ದರು.
One is the Congress guarantee model, where we deliver, we make every Kannadiga a part of this government. We are nobody but servants of the people. Every Kannadiga is part of this government. The other model is Modi government's Kali Chombu model. That's the other model. When Karnataka goes and asks for 18,400 crore of drought relief, a substantial amount of which will come to Chamarajanagar, Mysore also, Modi ji says he will not give the money, take Chombu. When Karnataka says 58,000 crore rupees is our right to get from 15th Finance Commission report, Modi ji says take Chombu. When Karnataka asks, as we have asked today through your newspapers, we give 100 rupees to Government of India, Modi ji only returns 13 rupees back to us. Those 100 rupees are rights of every Kannadiga. Why this injustice? Modi ji says take Chombu. When Karnataka asks where is the 6,000 crore for Bhadra Dam that union budget promised, Modi ji says take Chombu. When Karnataka asks where is the money for peripheral road of Bangalore that was announced and 20,000 crore rupees Government of India is supposed to give us, Modi ji says take Chombu. When Karnataka asks where are the 15 lakh rupees Modi ji that are to come in everybody's account, he says take Chombu. When young people ask where are the 2 crore jobs every year, he says take Chombu. When Raita Bandhu asks what happened to the doubling of farm income by 2022, he says take Chombu. So the return gift to Modi ji is Kali Chombu. Thank you. Sunil Bose, who has risen from the ground, who cares to serve the last person in the line, who brings the energy of youth and still respects the seniority of our elders. He has risen from the ranks of the organization of the Congress party. I don't look at him as somebody's son. He's a leader in his own right. And that's why we are confident that with so many young people and women that Congress has fielded as a candidate, just to tell you, out of 28 people, 14 Congress candidates are below 50 years of age. And 8 Congress candidates are below 40 years of age. This is the Khargeji's, Rahul Gandhiji's Congress, where young people will be given responsibilities to lead. Thank you.